everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a quick tip that's going to revolutionize your UX design process using AI. Whether you're new to UX design or a seasoned pro, AI tools can help you create more intuitive and user-friendly designs. Let's dive right in. So UX design is all about creating seamless and enjoyable experiences for users. But sometimes designing those experiences can be time-consuming and tricky. That's where AI comes in. Step 1. Leverage AI for user research, understanding your users and the foundation of good UX design. AI tools can analyze large data sets from user interactions, surveys, and feedback forms to identify patterns and insights. For example, tools like Hotjar and Google Analytics use AI to provide deep insights into user behavior on your site. Imagine being able to see where users are dropping off, what elements they interact with most, and how they navigate your site all in one place. AI can help you gather and interpret this data quickly, giving you a clear picture of what your users need and how they behave. Step 2. Generate wireframes and mockups with AI. AI-powered tools like Wizard and Sketch to React can generate wireframes and high-fidelity mockups from simple sketches or even text descriptions. Just describe what you want, and these tools can create a starting point for you. For example, with Wizard, you can upload a hand-drawn sketch, and the AI will transform it into a digital wireframe, complete with elements like buttons, text fields, and images. This can save you a ton of time and help you quickly iterate on design ideas. Step 3. Optimize layouts and user flows. Tools like Adobe XD, auto-animate, and Figma's Smart Animate use AI to suggest design improvements and ensure smooth transitions and interactions. This helps create a more intuitive user experience. These tools analyze how users interact with your designs and provide recommendations on how to improve usability. Whether it's adjusting the placement of a button or enhancing the navigation flow, AI can help you make data-driven design decisions. Step 4. Ensure accessibility with AI. Accessibility is a crucial aspect of UX design. AI tools can automatically check your designs for accessibility issues such as color contrast, text size, and navigation. Tools like Stark and Axe DevTools integrate with your design software to provide real-time accessibility feedback and suggestions. For instance, Stark can check your color contrast to ensure they're accessible to users with visual impairments. It can also provide alternative text suggestions for images, helping you create inclusive designs that everyone can use. And there you have it. By incorporating AI into your UX design process, you can enhance your efficiency, make smarter design decisions, and create more user-friendly products. It's like having a co-designer who's always there to help. Thank you for tuning in to today's AI Quick Tip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below with your favorite AI design tool or any questions you may have. See you next time and happy designing.